Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to carry on speaking about South African money this week. And remember that our paper money and some of our coins are our rands. And the word looks like that, rands. And we write it for short, like we do with centimeters, meters, and kilometers. We don't write out the word, we shorten it. So when we're talking about rands, we have a capital R in the front of the number. So if it is 5 rand, it would be 5 rand. Right, and then we also have cents. We don't have that many cents anymore. But if we do have cents, let's say we have 50 cents, we use a little curliker at the end of the word. So it's rand in the front, 5 rand, and 50 cents. So that's how we write it, with those two letters. Now, today we're going to look at prices of things. So you can buy something for any amount, but you can only pay with the money that we have. So if you pay too much, or not, let's not say too much, if you pay more than the amount, then you would get change. The shopkeeper or the till actually works out a subtraction sum quickly, and it then gives you the change of how much change you must get if you're paying cash. And if you are using cash, you can only pay with the coins and the paper money that we have, the notes. So if you are paying 10 rand for something, then let's say something is 10 rand. Right? Now, you can either have a 10 rand note, or you can have 2 5 rand coins, because 5 and 5 make 10. Or you can have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all of these equal 10 rand. A 10 rand note, 5 plus 5 coins is 10 rand. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rand. 5 twos. Or you can also have how many ones? How many 1 rands? If I've got 10 fingers, how many ones? Yes, 10. So 1, I'm not going to put the plus signs in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So those are all the ways that we could have money in our hand to give somebody 10 rand. But that works quite easily if we've got the money. So we have a 10 rand note. But what happens if you want to pay 3 rand for something? So something can cost 3 rand, Let's write it down. Something can cost 3 Rand. That's on the price ticket. But I can't have a 3 Rand coin or a 3 Rand note because we don't have that with our money. So this is what we're going to do this week. We're going to look at prices of things which you can have, but what South African money will you have in your hand? So if I had 3 Rand in my hand, I could have a 2 Rand and a 1 Rand. And there I would have 3 Rand. Or I could have 3 1 Rands. So you can pay prices for things that we don't have the exact money for, the exact coins or the exact paper money, but you can make it up. So this is what we're going to look at this week, is I'm going to give you a price and then you're going to tell me what South African money you could have in your hand to give to the shopkeeper or the cashier. That's the person working at the till. So in this case, there are different ways you can do it. With 3 Rand, there were only 2 ways. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as the side to tell me what money you have in your hand is only the South African money and what coins or paper money you would use to make up that. So we couldn't use any paper money for 3 Rand because there's no 1 or 2 Rand note. There's only coins for that. And we can look at 9 Rand, at 13 Rand, and so on. So that's what we're going to do this week. So if you need to, you can have another look at this video and then you can try the exercise that we're going to look at today on your whiteboard, and then we'll mark it together.